What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you arms trading for crown. We'll need to kill 20 Al-Qatala soldiers, extract 2 Kastov 74Us, and extract 2 Vaznev 9Ks. I'm pretty sure you can bring these weapons in and extract with them, and it should count, but you can find them pretty easily. I'd recommend you do this at the same time you do the non-discriminatory mission for crown, in which you'll kill 8 Qatala soldiers and kill 5 Shadow Company soldiers in the same deployment. Now, these Al-Qatala soldiers can be found pretty much anywhere on this island. Just these normal ones over here are Al-Qatala soldiers. Now we need to extract with 2 Kastov 74Us and 2 Vaznev 9Ks. So, Kastov 74U, I'll put one of them in my backpack, and I'll swap out one of these for my sidearm. There we go. I'm now carrying 2 of them, and I should complete that part of the mission. These Vaznevs are the simple SMGs. Now all we have to do is extract. It's very quick in and out. Just make sure you survive, otherwise you'll need to drop in and extract in another game. There is no vehicle anywhere close to me, so I have quite a distance to jog. So we'll get in with our 2 Kastov 74Us and get out. There we go. We've extracted 1 and 2. We finished 2 parts of arms trading now. All we need to do is head in once more. On the home screen, you're free to do whatever you want with the weapons we extracted. Throw them away or keep them. For me, I think I'll probably put them away. Alright, so landing back here, we'll see if we can finish this mission. I'll mark the extraction point. It's not the best extraction point, but it's one of them, as we'll head pretty much straight there, collecting these SMGs on our way out. Now, as for whether I'll find the weapons I'm looking for on the way there or not, that's an entirely different question. We've finally found a single Vaznev, and we might find one more. Oh, there we go. We found them. So we've now got 2 Vaznevs. All we need to do is extract. So with ammo and tons of plates on my back, we'll head for the extract. Now you could use any extract, whether you use a hostage rescue extract or a normal extract, it doesn't really matter, just as long as you get out and survive. Now these Vaznevs, I definitely do think I'll be dumping in the trash when we get them back home. And there we have it. We'll now be done with arms trading for crown. Simple enough. There we go. Only seemed to count one of them. Boy, I hope it counted both. Yes, it did. Alright, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.